Boy, I just got my buddy's magnet traction done. The wheels that we needed, tires that we needed came in, and man, clean this thing up, and it really does good. Really does good. He's gonna be pleased to punch when he sees this. It is done. All right, next up on the bench, gonna put this aside, is the 8-wheel stretch Batmobile Limo. Guys, I must have did this 23, 4, I don't know, probably early 90s or something like that. And I was just having fun. I was starting to duplicate things like the Batmobile, the windshields and all that stuff. And it just hit me, why not have something fun? But due to the heat here in Florida, the front end, the way I had this stored, you know, if you don't have a hole or a slot for the guide pin to be in, and it's stored flat like this, you see how the front wheels are off there? Well, that's what happened to this, and the front end just started dropping, absolutely just started dropping. And so I'm going to take the whole front end off, reglue the windshield, and reglue it, and make sure that it's running real good before I put it back in the case there. If I'm not mistaken, it should still work, yeah. But that front windshield looks like it's going to come off. It really does. It looks like it's just going to come right off of there. So that's going to be today's project. We're going to take that off and see if we can get it running better and looking better. All right, we're starting to work on it. We got the front windshield off, and you see how it's just split there? I mean, originally it was just glued, so I'm going to gently take that apart a little further, and let's just go ahead and detach it. You're gonna be very careful. Then what we're gonna have to do, I'm sure we're gonna have to do, is to make sure the joint fits better, is get all the glue we can off of each piece. Boy, it didn't take much. I just started pulling a little bit, and it just came right apart. Now the screw post there, see that little yellow cap and the black screw post there? That mostly attaches to this front piece. I'm going to do my best to get all that glue off, and then there's some glue in here on that front piece. We're going to get that off there. Okay, good. I got my X-Acto knife out. You see that wad of glue right there? I'm going to get that off. I'm just going to cut it off. I'm going to need both hands to do that. Just a second. Boy, it didn't take much at all. That glue came off. Now that is the glue that I keep telling you guys. I've been using this for decades. The Scotch Maximum Strength adhesive. If you need it to come off of parts, it does. Now, if you have like, what is that? The styrene glue, like when you build the models as a kid, that like fuses it together. This stuff, it'll hold real good, real good. But if you ever need to get it off, you can do it. That's one of the reasons I've been using this for years. Okay, got them cleaned up good enough. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple drops of glue on these and get them back together. And the last thing I got to do is put the windshield back on. Should be easy fix. Very good, we're doing good. It's been plenty of time. The glue is dried. Next thing we got to do is glue the front windshield, or the front windshield in place, and then let's hit the juice and see if it runs around the track. All right, got that windshield in place. Let me get the transformers. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, always like running this thing. It's got the beacon light, plus it's got the turbo light coming out the back there. In the jacuzzi, we have Catwoman, Batgirl getting a little freak in the jacuzzi. This is just a fun piece. It's absolutely wonderful. All right, guys, just a quick mend, and it is back on the track. Looking good. All right, guys, hey, listen, if you got any questions, let me know. I'm here for you. If you need anything, let me know. I always say that, and I'm a man of my word. So again, if you need anything, give me a holler. I'm here for you guys. All right, have fun.